the time. I don't do relationships 'cause I'm on my grind. But see, a part of it's because I just can't find someone who knows me like you do. Always brought out the good in me. Don't know just what to say. Whatever it is, no other guy has even tried. Remember when you left one day and turned around and say, you're my best friend right there. You made me cry. Even though you're my best friend, I can't help it whenever I compare you to them. Can't help it, no. Like I always do this with every single man. And I hate that I can't find someone who's worth my time, just like my best friend. I'm trying to let you know, a part of me just can't let this go. Never had a friend, I knew I'd have been, but with you it's so different, yeah. And I don't know what you did, no, but I know that whatever it is, I'm so grateful for you. I'm so grateful for you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Didn't know the things I told you.
Tanggapin, di ko yata matitiis mawala ka kahit sang saglit man lang. Paano na kaya di sinasadya, di kayang magtapat ang puso ko? Bakit sa dinami-rami ng kaibigan ko ikaw pa? Paano na kaya di sinasadya, ba't nahihiya ang puso ko? Hirap nang umibig sa isang kaibigan, di masabi ang nararamdaman. Paano na kaya? At kung magkataong ito'y malaman mo, sana naman tanggapin mo. Bakit sa dinami-rami ng kaibigan ko ikaw pa? Paano na kaya di sinasadya, ba't nahihiya ang puso ko? Hirap nang umibig sa isang kaibigan at baka hindi maintindihan.